Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, let's open up the dialer, go to Contacts, tap on the three dots and go to the settings, and from here we'll have import export. So select that, and in here you should see import from SIM. Let's select that, and here you will see all the contacts that are on the SIM card. And all you need to do is either select all of them by tapping right down here, or you can select certain contacts yourself by just tapping on a check mark. Now you can also do select all and deselect, for instance, contacts to, if you want most of them but not all. This might be quicker. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you, but once you have selected them, tap on import button, tap on the phone, and there we go. Those are the contacts that have been now imported. And you can see that they're now repeating, at least a couple of them, and you can distinguish which one is where based on that tiny little icon. So you can see this gray icon indicates that this contact, the first Elon Musk, is on the SIM card, and if I were to remove that SIM card, only the one below will remain, while this one will disappear, along with this contact right here as well. So that is basically how you would import contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.